There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again.
What's kickin' Shark Mates? Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty, here at Rap Sesh.
What's up, guys?
This week we are featuring a custom partial wrap design. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, you can see this Camaro. What is this? What is it?
This is a ZL1 Camaro. It's got some fun things on it. It's got a little cage in here. It's got a lot of power.
It's souped the up.
Yeah, it's pretty souped up. It's
Leave
pretty.
that.
This is a mean car.
It's pretty awesome. I
And
mean,
we're
he's
about
got-
to make it more angry.
He's got a cage in it. He's got all sorts of stuff like under the hood.
Yeah.
It sounds absolutely amazing. He's also a part of the One Auto. What was that again?
That's what it does. It lopes.
So he's part of the One Auto movement group. We love them. His name is Jeff, and we collaborated with one of our new designers in our roster, Mr. Vojtek. I could be botching this. I think it's Vojtek Chris. Is what his Instagram is, and he is an amazing designer, works internationally with Rap Style. If you guys aren't familiar with them, I think they have nearly 20 different locations around the world in different countries for rap shops. He does really amazing design work, and we have had so many design requests lately, we've had to increase our designer roster.
Yeah, we're booked out on designs right now.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So really, really great to be working with him. This is our first printed project with him. We have another few coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. But anyways, we collaborated with him to create this kind of custom, drippy,
Smoky,
paint skull things and stuff.
It's a very busy skull design.
Yeah.
And
I think it's cool. It's like a mix between liquid and smoke almost.
yeah, it's really cool because the actual skull, you can't see from over there maybe, but when you get up close to it, it actually looks like smoke.
Yeah.
Like the actual skull does.
Yeah.
It's really cool. It has like a brush to it.
Pretty spectacular. So we have a partial cut contour graphic going down the sides. This one's almost finished being all trimmed out and everything. And then we have a custom skull facing forward for the hood. And then we also have like a oil drip or like an acrylic drip kind of design for the spoiler and the mirror accents. Really, really neat. My favorite thing about this whole design is that we printed it on reflective. So
Illuminate.
you might be seeing it a little bit every now and then behind us, but anytime a headlight or any kind of light hits this in the dark, in the day or the night, it's gonna reflect.
Mostly the night. But
Mostly the
even
night.
the sun, like when you catch it in the sun and it reflects right back at you, it looks really cool.
Yeah, it looks really spectacular and like just really makes this pop. We've got some custom decals going on as well. So without further ado, let's dive.
You can't dive in front of me.
Dive? Oh, you fancy. Let's dive in. So we finished our Camaro up with a Ceramic Pro vinyl coating over everything. He also already has a 10-year, or the gold package.
He had a 10-year on there. We had to remove it from the certain areas we wrapped,
right.
But we're redoing it. Yep.
We're gonna redo it, guys.
We're gonna redo it.
So once again, huge shout out to Jeff, our customer, as well as the One Auto Movement, Vojtech Designs, and Muto America, of course, for our amazing eco-solvent printer. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys dig the Rap Sesh vibe. And if you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at RapSeshAZ and Vinyl Vixen Raps. And then that's it.
No and then.
No and then.
No and then.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, come again.
Oh, the beach is back.
Don't eat my tools.
I didn't do anything to you.
Hug. Hugs, not thugs, Thread.
Oh, I am a T-Rex. I don't know how to classify as that, but that's what I am.
He's not wild, he's a baby. Okay, sometimes he's wild. Don't bite my boobs.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Just let me finish the outro.
We're working, Cheryl.
Oh, okay.